What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives, and today I've got my uncle's 2022 BMW i4 M50, so we're gonna go for a quick night drive. I've already made a video on this car before, but it was during the daytime, and I was like, you know, I've got it right now. Why don't we just take it for a night drive real quick? So yeah, this vehicle has some crazy power. It has 536 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of torque, and it can do 0 to 60 in the low 3-second range, which is pretty insane. Different brands have tested it at like 3.3 seconds, some say 3.6, 3.7, but either way, it's super fast. And the interior with the iDrive 8, the big screen, is pretty cool. And you also have ambient lighting over there, and on the door strips, and on the dash over there as well. You also have a sunroof in this car. Well, let's walk around this i4. See what the lighting looks like on this thing. It's finished in Portimao blue. This one does not have the laser lights, but it does have LED headlights. Portimao blue is a nice color. It looks good regardless if it's in the daytime or nighttime. The tail lights are very bright on the 3 Series and 4 Series. This one does not have laser lights in the rear either, but the LCI i4s and i4 M50s have the laser lights. Here's the rear seats. Let's get out on the road. You know, one thing that surprises me is that this car, despite being an i4 M50, doesn't even have Harman Kardon. The fact that BMW makes like M cars and M vehicles without the Harman Kardon's insane. Like, I drove an M240i recently. I have a video on that, and it doesn't have Harman Kardon. It's a 2025 model. I can't believe that. But anyways, let's get it on the road. Yeah, I remember the first time I drove this car, I was shocked. It sounds, I mean, not the sound, but the sound's pretty cool too. It's an artificial sound composed by Hans Zimmer. Also composed the sound for The Dark Knight, which is my favorite movie of all time. It's really cool. And also, the car is just stupid fast. It's like a jackhammer when you hit the accelerator. And what's interesting is, like, you don't even need to have the key fob. You just have to, like, unlock the car with your phone, and then you can just have the BMW key card on the little wireless charging pad over there, and then it'll turn on and then you can just turn the car on. So you got to make sure you don't leave your car unlocked, because that could be a problem. Make sure you always lock the car if you're going to go that way with turning it on and off. Yeah, as I was saying, that acceleration is absolutely insane. So I'm not the biggest fan of iDrive 8, in my opinion. On my G80 M3, which is a 2021, has iDrive 7. I think it looks more cohesive with the dash and more classic with that. But this iDrive 8 definitely looks more high-tech, and I like it more at nighttime. I do admit that, because it gives the interior a nicer ambiance, and it looks cool. But I would still prefer iDrive 7. It's very smooth and comfortable to drive this car. Visibility is good, even though it's the 4 Series with like a little bit of tapered off roof line. This is actually a Grand Coupe, so yeah, I mean, you'll have the tapered off roof, but the visibility isn't obstructed or anything like that. And also, you can see very clearly out of the rear mirror, so that helps too. I need to get more night drive videos in general, But the thing is, I don't really, as you guys know, I make a lot of videos at the dealership, right? And I don't, you know, especially with the daylight savings, I'm not there this late. I mean, it's like almost 9 o'clock right now. It's not even pitch black outside. But I'm gonna get more night drive videos when there's no more daylight savings, and then at like 6 o'clock it starts becoming dark. Because a lot of people ask me for nighttime videos, so I'm definitely gonna do that more. And as far as lighting and everything goes, like on the road, this is good. The LED lights definitely do a good job of illuminating what's in front of you. Whether you get the laser lights or not, you're gonna have great lighting. If you put the gear shifter over in this B mode, I don't know what B stands for, but the regen braking is super aggressive, and it's gonna brake like super quick, super intensively in order to recharge your battery and such. So I guess you only should use that if you're really, you know, trying to save your range. Yeah, that's crazy fast. Just wanted to turn the light on so you guys could get a better look at the steering wheel and stuff. Yeah, this is a great car. It's a great daily driving vehicle. The thing what I like about it is it doesn't look like an electric car. Like some electric cars scream the fact that they're electric, which I don't like. And it doesn't drive, and some electric cars are just so boring to drive other than the quick acceleration. But this car drives like any other BMW does. Great handling, heavy steering. It just happens to be electric, and that's the way I like electric cars to be. Very interesting sound. As I said, super fast. You know, these cars are a great value. Like this 2022 model, you can pick these up in like the low $40,000 range, which is a insane bang for your buck for the amount of horsepower you're getting. Like, if you're looking for a nice electric sedan in that price point, this car will definitely be a great car to choose. I'm even seeing higher mileage ones in the high 30s. Man, the thing about BMW is the turn signal stock is so nice, very satisfying click to it. Like, I hate when cars have like very cheap wiper stocks and turn signal stocks, because that's something that you're going to be pressing and touching very often. So it's better to have one that feels like robust, like this one. Like it actually feels like you're doing something. Like for example, in a bunch of newer Cadillacs or all the GM products, like the turn signal stock is terrible. My friend has a CT5e Blackwing, and the turn signal stock feels like it's from like a $15,000 car. It's like so depressing, because like, you know, it just feels so flimsy. Like, why not just put some more effort and just put a little bit more expensive piece in there? Like I drove even a $130,000 Escalade has these super flimsy turn signal stocks. I hate that. So BMW has always had really high quality turn signal stocks, which is nice, because you're gonna press it a million times while driving. Even like little switch gear, like things like that, even little buttons and stuff, I prefer for them to feel a little nice whenever you press them and not flimsy. Those little things do matter. You might not think they do, but like, think about the stuff you use every single day on a regular basis. You probably would want it to be a little more high quality, right? That's the way I see it. Let's put this thing back into comfort mode. Yeah, this is a very nice car. But actually, I'm kind of surprised that this car is iDrive 8. It's a 2022 model. I just realized a lot of BMWs from then didn't even have iDrive 8. They had iDrive 7. So this is one of the earliest BMWs with iDrive 8. Probably because it's electric. Let's check out the backup camera. Good visibility even at night to back into a spot. But overall, nice car as always. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to the rest of my videos, and stay tuned for more automotive content.